Find the following integral, the integral of x times the square root of 2x minus 3 dx, using the substitution A, u is equal to 2x minus 3, and B, u squared is equal to 2x minus 3. So we're going to do this twice, and hopefully we'll end up with the same answer each time. So it's using part A, x times the square root of integral of x times the square root of 2x minus 3 dx. If you let u be equal to 2x minus 3 as suggested, and then normally in integration by substitution you differentiate the substitution, so you get du by dx will be equal to 2, so you rearrange it to get an expression for dx, which gives you that dx is du over 2. And x will be, because we'll need something for x will be equal to u plus 3 over 2. Then my integral of x times the square root of 2x minus 3 dx will become the integral of x, which is u plus 3 over 2. Let's just check why that is equal to that. So you take the 3 over, you get u plus 3 divided by 2. So you get u plus 3 divided by 2 times the square root of u, because u is equal to 2x minus 3, times dx, which is du over 2. Now, 2 times 2 gives 4, so we'll take out 1/4, and we'll be left with u plus 3. Now, square root of u is u to the half du. Now, we're going to multiply out that bracket, so we're going to have 1/4 u to the 3 over 2 plus 3u to the half du. So we're now in a position where we can now integrate that, so that becomes 1/4. Add 1 to the power here, so we're going to get 5 over 2, but you're going to multiply by 2 over 5. And here you're going to get u to the 3 over 2. Okay, but you're going to multiply by 2 over 3, so that 3 will cancel out. We're just left with a 2 at the top here, plus c. So if I now take out a 2 and now get a half of u to the 5 over 2 over 5 plus u to the 3 over 2. So you get a half of, substituting back, because u is 2x minus 3 to the 5 over 2 over 5 plus 2x minus 3 to the 3 over 2 plus c. Now that might be good enough to leave it as the answer like that. However, there is a common factor here of 2x minus 3 to the 3 over 2. If we first of all make a common denominator, so we take that 5 up there, so we get 5, so these will both be over 5, so we're going to get 2 times 5, which is 1/10. Now take out a common factor of 2x minus 3 to the 3 over 2. If we do that now, here we'll be left with 2x minus 3, and then we've got the plus 5 times 1, which is taken out plus c. Simplifying this here, we're now going to get 2x plus 2 plus c. Let's go over here. Common factor of 2 here, so that can come out 2 over 10, which gives me 1/5 of 2x minus 3 to the 3 over 2, x plus 1 plus c. Alright, using the second method, so this time we're told that u squared is equal to 2x minus 3. So if we use the implicit differentiation, so d dx of u squared is equal to d dx of 2x minus 3. So this is just going to give me 2u du by dx, and this will just give me 2. Rearranging that, taking the dx up here and taking the 2 down here, we're going to get that dx is equal to u du. Just pause the video if you're not sure on that. Just check that you get from that to that. And that x would be equal to u squared plus 3 over 2. So now doing the substitution, so integral of x, which is u squared plus 3 over 2. U squared is 2x minus 3, so the square root of that will just be u. And then we've got a 2u du. I'm going to take out, so we've got u squared over 3 over 2 times u squared du. And we're going to take out a half. If we expand the bracket, we get u to the 4 plus 3u squared du. So we're now in a position where we can integrate, and you can see it's much more easier integral than the first one. So that's 1/2 of u to the 5 over 5 integrating plus u cubed. Integral, if you differentiate u cubed, you get 3u squared. So this just becomes u cubed. And then I'm going to take the 5 up here like I did up in the previous example. So I've got 1/10 of u to the 5u, and the 5s that come out to make the 1/10. Common factor of u cubed, so I've got u cubed over 10 times u squared plus 5 plus c. Now substituting back, so u cubed will be 2x minus 3 times the square root of 2x minus 3, which is 2x minus 3 to the 3 over 2 over 10, times u squared, which is 2x minus 3 plus 5 plus c. So we've got a very similar situation to what we got up here, and we can see that we're going to just get the same answer, which is 1/5 of 2x minus 3 to the 3 over 2 times x plus 1 plus c. So this has been integration by substitution, integrating the same function but using two different substitutions. I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.